Now we're doing an unboxing of the Retekess Hearing Sense 1 hearing aids. Now, pretty excited to be reviewing these. The reason being is they're over-the-counter hearing aids, but are also in the earbud design. I've done a lot of reviews on earbuds in the past, so it's very exciting to see how these are going to work out. So as you can see, there's the packaging just there. So we're going to go have a look and kind of duck into it. So start with, there's the instruction booklet. Kind of goes a bit more about how to set it up and what you need to do. Now, this does have a companion app too, which we'll go through in the full review, which we're not doing just here. We're actually unboxing these as we go as well, so you guys can see how it comes. Now, if we're going to take this out and have a look here. So here is the earbud case. Now, for hearing aids, actually, this is not too heavy, to be honest. And it's a very small package. Look how that fits into my hand just there. So it feels quite light, actually, for hearing aids, which is great. Let's move that to the side. So while I've got this, let's have a look at the what else comes in it. So you open this up. So you've got different tips you can use, the ears. And also in here, you've got the USB-C charging cable. And this is where you can change the tips out. So you can have different tips in there. So basically, as you're using these hearing aids, if you want to go change your hearing aids, you can put these different plugs in there, which you can change on them. So we'll look at that shortly when we open them up. But that allows you to actually take them out and use them. So put it there. So let's go and take a look at the earbuds themselves in a bit more detail. So we open this up here. So they are there. So you've got the white color, which is really, really nice. And there you've got the left charge. Now, I've only literally just opened these up, so it doesn't have the charge on there at the moment. We'll talk through that as we go. So you've got the earbuds here. So again, there it is compared to the size of my hand. And there are the earbuds there. It kind of gives you ideas how they look. Now, these are IP64 waterproof as well. Now, they do have dual microphone array in these as well. So again, they work as hearing aids, but also as microphones as well. And the IP64 is good. It means you can use it in different types of environments. So if you get caught in the rain, for example, you can use it. Now, these also have different types of modes in them as well. So you've got normal mode, so kind of suitable for two-person or group in a relaxed environment. You've got restaurant mode, which obviously is if it's busy or loud in the restaurant and the people all around, they can hear you. You've got music mode as well, which is if you want to listen to music. So these also double as like a music player as well, which you can do. And obviously, you've got the outdoor mode there as well. But as you can see, there are the earplugs. So they sit right into the ears, which is important for hearing aids. You can see there are the mic arrays on there as well. And there are the wingtips, which you can get off with that instrument we spoke about earlier. And you can also control them here as well. So these are where you can control the function. So you can turn it up. You can turn it back down as well, which is good. So you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, as I said, it's backed up by an app as well. Now, these are over-the-counter professional hearing aids as well. So they've got in-ear detection. So you pop them in your ears and it recognizes you where you are as well. Now, the microphone array itself also has noise cancellation built in as well. So the upper section of the hearing aid is dedicated to ambient noise cancellation, while lower section picks up your speech. It captures every word. They say this FDA-certified in America as well, with Bluetooth for mild to moderate hearing loss. So you just volume, noise reduction, frequency response, and the 4 scene modes we spoke about before. And the good thing is, as I said, they're replaceable. So you can replace these hearing aid tips here with these hearing aids too as well. So it makes it a lot more hygienic. Now, these as well, rechargeable. So 15 minutes of charging will give you 3 hours of use. So you get total 48 hours of use in them. So that means that 12 hours of battery life in them, which is really, really good. So just a nice design, held magnetically. I like how it kind of tells you what's left to charge. So hold that button down there to turn them on. And as you can see there, the light comes on just there letting you know. So at the moment, they're fully charged, which is great. And so it means that you take them out and you can start pairing them straight away. So yeah, there's the Retekess Hearing Sense 1 earbuds. Really nice.